Hello, it's Party Elephant
and Banana Llama
from BunnyBlocks, and today we will be doing a cupcake bake-off. So all we have to do is make cupcakes, decorate 6 of them. We've got 3 themes: mythical, summer and freestyle, and they will be tasted and judged by our dad. So let's go!
So obviously first we have to make the cupcakes. So we've got some golden cast sugar, some flour, some butter. Oh, the link to the recipe will be in the description. We also have some eggs, some milk, some salt and some vanilla extract. So let's make some cupcakes.
Okay, so now I'm going to add my butter, and I'll be using our mixer for this because the recipe did recommend using that. And now I'm adding the sugar and the flour. So it took a little while for me to get the hang of this thing because I don't normally use it by myself, but I did manage to do it. So as you can see, there's lots of me having the spoon in because the butter kept on getting stuck on the thing. I chose this attachment because it said to make it like the texture of breadcrumbs, and the other one was a whisk, which was for like a batter, and then the other one was for a dough, so I thought that would be quite a good attachment to use.
So now we're going to whisk up our eggs really fast. And now we're going to add the milk and vanilla.
A little top tip about the eggs is if you use a fork to whisk them, it does the exact same thing.
Yeah.
If you want to do it in a smaller.
So now we've got the eggs, milk, vanilla, and now we're going to add it a little bit at a time to the mix until it actually looks like cupcake mix. So yeah. So obviously here I have cupcake mix. I've now decided I'm going to add some chocolate chips. I think we'll just make my cupcakes that bit more special. So yeah, chocolate chips. Delicious.
The more the merrier. Looks like cookie dough now, just like you've added too much wet stuff. Right, so now to mine I'm adding some sprinkles. We've got this sprinkle thing which has these like pretty like mermaid kind of ones. You can't really see them that well, but they are there, and I do think they add a bit of colour. Obviously they won't really change the taste, but yeah, I think my batter looks really nice actually.
So now we're going to bake the cupcakes.
So now it's time to do the icing. So we've separated some icing into 4 different bowls, and now we're going to dye them to go with our different designs.
So I am currently dyeing my icing. I decided to go for blue, also some pink. I left some white as well, and also I did some purple as well. I didn't really know what colours to do, so I just went for the classic.
So for mine, I planned mine out. As you can see, I've done like a reddish pink, a yellow, and for the one I'm doing right now, I wanted like a kind of deep teal almost, because I thought that would look quite good, and I actually really love this colour. This is like one of my favourite colours ever, probably my favourite colour to be honest, probably like my top one. And now for the next one, which is just going to be a classic blue, because I feel like you can do lots of different designs of blue. So yeah.
So we have loads of decorations. We have loads of sprinkles, we have some pecans, we also have some chocolate, fruit, honey, icing, sprinkles, and all of the frosting that we've mixed together. And obviously Party Elephant has her frosting too.
We also have fondant, which is cool.
Yeah.
So the themes are freestyle, mythical and summer, and it's time to decorate them to do our themes.
So my first cupcake, I decided to go for a summer theme. So I got some fruit and dark chocolate, and I'm going to now spread the just plain frosting on top. And I'm also going to put on a lot of frosting. I think that's where I went wrong. I put on so much icing. It was kind of crazy. So then I added some strawberries and raspberries, and then also a little bit of dark chocolate as well. And this one actually turned out a mess, so yeah, not too proud of that to be honest. My next one is going to be a mythical theme. This one I also added too much icing, so it wasn't my best one. And then obviously I have the blue icing, and then I'm going to be adding the mermaid sprinkles, and that's that one finished. This one is also a mess. It gets better after this one.
Okay, so now it's time for my mythical theme. So I'm going to use some of my blue icing. I absolutely love this colour. I just love how vibrant it is. So yeah, I'm starting off with the simplest one, which is going to be very, very similar to Banana Llamas, but slightly neater because I was individually pricing sprinkles. That's the kind of thing I do. Now for my freestyle one. Now for my freestyle ones, they both go together. They're both like the same theme. And we've got a green cupcake liner with reddish pink icing and chocolate sprinkles. So can you guess what the theme for this one is? Okay, so this one's actually a watermelon theme. And the other freestyle one of mine is going to be a fruit as well, but I won't tell you what yet.
So now I'm going to be doing another cupcake, and this one I used the wrong cupcake colour because we had kind of colour coordinated to the themes, but this one I decided to go for chocolate heaven. So I have dark chocolate, loads of chocolate sprinkles, and that is that one done. I love that one, it's so good.
Okay, so now I'm going to be doing one of my summer ones. Now this one was actually quite tricky to do, and I don't love the end result. It's not that bad, but it just could have been better, and I think I possibly pictured it a bit too good in my head, but oh well. So now I'm going to be using some black writing icing, and I've picked a sunshine yellow, little hint for my design. So yeah, basically my idea for this one was to write sunshine with it in like a nice kind of writing, I guess. But it didn't like take up that much. It was like a kind of thin strip in the middle. So I added a little bit of the honey just to also like give it just a nice effect, I don't know.
So now I'm going to be doing another summer theme. Hopefully this one will go a bit better. I'm adding strawberries and raspberries again, and more strawberry pieces. And I am also going to be adding some pecans. This one is amazing. It's definitely my favourite one so far. So now it's time for my mythical theme. I went for a unicorn theme for this one. So I mixed together the pink, purple and blue in a really nice, I put them all on separately and kind of blended them together. I was going to do a unicorn horn, but I ended up smushing that in as well. So this kind of looks like a galaxy, and I'm going to be adding the unicorn sprinkles. I love this one. I'm also adding marshmallows.
Okay, so I actually did some of my cupcakes off camera because it would be less pressure. So I got this coconut one, this kind of ocean wave one, which turned out pretty cool. And this one, which is meant to be like an enchanted forest, which I do like. It's a little bit messy, but oh well. So now it's time to see. So these are banana llamas.
So I've got my triple chocolate one, my unicorn one, my mythical one, my really messy summer one, my other nice summer one, and a freestyle one with chocolate, marshmallows and some honey on top as well.
So these are all of mine together. I've got my two summer ones, which is the sunshine and also the wave, and then I've got my two fruit ones, which are obviously freestyle. I've got watermelon and coconut, and then we've got the mythical ones. We've got this lovely mermaid one, which I love, and then the enchanted forest one. And Toffee looked very interested in all the food, so he really wanted that. He's so cute. He could smell the cupcakes.
He's so cute.
So that's our puppy Toffee. So here are all my cupcakes all together. I really like how they came out. I think most of them are actually pretty good. I'm quite happy with that. So our dad judged the cakes by looks, taste and creativity. So he judged each cake with a score out of 10. The winner has to get the most out of 90. And I won!
Yay!
Yay! It was actually a very, very close one. I think it was only like 1 point off.
Yeah.
So it was very close. So alright, thanks for watching. Our Instagram is at BunnyBlocks. My new art channel is Jellyfin Art, and all those links will be in the description.
This video was so fun to film, and we hope to do more like this in the future.
Yes. Thanks for watching.
Bye!